The world's largest drone maker has reported a massive loss and fired multiple workers after uncovering procurement fraud within the company. According to reports in Engadget and Bloomberg, the company will take a $150 million loss after it discovered that employees were fraudulently raising component prices for personal gain. The Chinese company is working with the local authorities after an internal investigation yielded the suspect business practices. According to Bloomberg, the corruption probe will be one of the largest in recent history, as more than 40 employees were involved in the plot. The wrongdoers, or ne'er-do-wells, if you will, make up a fraction of the company's 14,000 employees. It's just not used enough. Ne'er-do-wells. In a statement, DJI said it's taking the code of conduct violations seriously. The company didn't get specific, but did say that, quote, some employees inflated the cost of parts and materials for certain products or personal financial gain. The company also set up a new way for whistleblowers to confidentially report workplace violations. A report from the Nikkei Asian Review was a bit more specific. DJI's procurement officials received kickbacks for buying components that didn't pass quality tests, and also paid above market prices. As a result, component costs were inflated in 2018 by more than 20%. Of the 45 employees involved in the scheme, 29 have been fired and 16 cases could be submitted to government prosecutors. According to Nikkei, DJI has a hold of 70% of the world's drone market, with an estimated valuation of around $21 billion. And now Marlo.
I'm Marlo Munster Tiger, and this is IEN Now.
Nailed it!